here, 3 brand new rosemaries. And yeah, they're not just sticks in the ground. Started on about 10 days ago. And here, 3 brand new lavender. Same thing. Why would you buy plants when you could just make more? So how to do this? First, you cut, we're going to use lavender. You cut new growth about 4 inches and make sure it's new growth. Second, you're going to strip it, the bottom half, and you get something that looks like this. Step 3, this is rooting hormone. Simply dip. So you cut, strip, and dip, and those are the first 3 steps. Then use a dipple stick, boom, punch a hole in the bag, the container in which you're going to start this. You do this because you don't want to just jam the stem in there. You might injure it, which could introduce fungus and whatnot. So make sure you got a hole, then you just pinch it back in. Number 5, get a large freezer bag, large enough for your container, and you cover it up to make a terrarium essentially. At the end, it looks like this. Number 6, it's hot. You keep it in the shade. It doesn't need sun for photosynthesis. It needs to grow roots first. So you make a terrarium, put some water in it, make a terrarium, and you keep it in the shade. And you might have to water a couple of times during that 10 to 14 day period. But typically, if you get it watered well first, it'll just hold that stuff in if you put the bag on top. Now, why does this work? This is why you need to cut a new stem, a green stem, not wood, because these are still young plant cells. And so they will, especially if you put rooting hormone on there, they will generate roots, because once you put them in the ground and it's dark, they decide, okay, I'm going to be a root now. That's simple. And as always, if you want 1, plant 3. Always 3-to-1 rule. I mean, you got to account for a lot of different factors that can mess things up. 3-to-1, even when you're putting them in the ground. If you want 1 tomato, put 3 in the ground. So why buy new starts for things you already have when you can make your own? Do your research, you got to look it up. Can you do this to this particular plant? But for a lot of stuff, yes, especially when it's new growth, because when you're stripping those leaves off the new growth, the cells are still active, stick it in the ground. They're just going to decide, hey, I think I'll be a root.